Welcome back to the channel, good friends. Brian from Apex Detail. I have reviewed plenty of polishes, compounds, and glazes from Xtreme Solutions. And having this many tools at your disposal can be a good thing, and it really can be detrimental. It could be a good thing if you know what you're doing, you know what you're going after, and you have plenty of tools to get that done. If you're just getting into it, if you're a driveway detailer, an enthusiast, this can make your head spin having so many tools to work with. So what they did is they had you guys in mind, and they came out with LVR 500. And this is the Swiss Army knife of their compounds and polishes. So one polish or one polish/compound for just about every situation that you can come upon, just to adjust your pad to the situation. So without further ado, let me show you the LVR 500. Xtreme Solutions LVR 500 Flawless Cut utilizes DAT in their formula, diminishing abrasive technology. It is a compound/polish or all-in-one. It does not contain protection. It's a what you see is what you get form of correction for just about every surface and every type of imperfection. They would like it teamed up with the Uro-Fiber Pad or a medium foam pad like most of the orange pads in many lines. This will take care of a lot of different imperfections. Just adjust accordingly if you need more cut or more finish. I'm going to demonstrate today on soft clear and hard clear on both ends of the scale, both in real shop situations and then on a test panel. So here we're working on a Subaru today that is soft thin paint, and there's some very minor swirls and scratches to get rid of, and there are some very small deeper ones to get rid of as well. I have spot corrected them, as you saw, with 2500 grit, 3000 grit, whatever was needed for that imperfection, and we need to polish these areas out now along with the swirls. By the way, guys, here again is one of those colors, silver, champagne, bronze, white, where it takes something special, a little bit extra effort to make them pop or make them call for attention. So I chose the LVR 500 Flawless Cut today to get that done, and removing those spots and sand marks and scratches and swirls, we're going to put 3 pea-sized drops on the pad, and we're just going to do normal correction speed, arm speed, polisher speed, pressure, and we're going to get it done. The LVR 500 Flawless Cut can be worked either by hand or machine for as long as you would like. The cycle time or the open time is impressively long. There is no dusting whatsoever. And as you can see here, it removed everything I was after. For clear coat that's thin and soft, you want to remove as little clear as possible and leave behind as much as possible, and this has done exactly that. I'll give you the first person view, showing you it's a user-friendly product, easy to remove when you're done working it, no matter how long you have to. The residue's thin, it's clear, it's easy to take off the panel in higher temperatures and direct sunlight for you mobile guys or driveway detailers. The residue left behind wipes off with no effort, and it leaves behind an impressive shine. Just starting on the hood on this vehicle, I'm already liking what I see, and I'm going to need that extra effort to get this color to stand out a little bit. So with the hood done, I couldn't wait to get to the rest of the car, and that is exactly what I did. Front to back, bumper to bumper. It's been corrected. It is exactly what I'm looking for a color like this that needs a little bit something. The silvers, the whites, the champagnes, the bronze colors, along with any other color you're going to work on, you'll like to turn around. From a light colored, thin, soft clear to a heavy, thick, stubborn, dark color and clear coat. And I divided that into 4 sections, and I have 4 different types of sandpaper marks from 1500 all the way up to 3000 grit. And we will experiment in each section to see how this performs. Let's start in the area that has 3000 grit marks, and we'll keep that exact pad that I was using on the soft clear coat on the hard clear coat, and we'll demonstrate that if you have the right pad, you can get a lot done on a lot of different types of clear, removing different types of imperfections with just slight adjustments from the top to the bottom, meaning if you need more cut, you'll need to grab a more aggressive pad, and if you need more finish for those finicky, really soft clear coats, you're going to need something like the black foam application pad in many lines. What I'm going to do in each section is exactly the same. I'll take one trip from one end of the section all the way back, a return trip at the same speed, arm speed, polisher speed, pressure. I will do a little bit of editing and speed things up, no cutting away or anything, but just to keep the length of the video reasonable, I will speed things up when needed. But as you can see here, just in the 3000 grit section, an incredible turnaround. And we'll put some numbers behind what we're seeing as well with the gloss meter. From the 3000 grit section to the 2500, and we'll continue this process all the way around the panel. So it really didn't matter which section we were working on. We got pretty much the same result. High gloss with quick turnaround. It wasn't until this last section here where I could see some scratches still left in the area where we did the pass. So if anything at all can be improved, and everything can be improved, it would be the aggression of the cut even more. But again, we're ending up with some nice, extreme impressive gloss. That will bring us to the final thoughts segment of the video, the LVR 500 Flawless Cut from Xtreme Solutions. It cuts, it finishes well, it gives you a nice glossy surface. You just need to adjust the pad to whatever type of clear coat you're working on, whatever type of imperfection you are trying to remove. So, as I mentioned at the beginning of the vehicle, it is great that they have these many tools to work with. If you know what you're going after, you know what you want to remove, and you know what you're working on. But if you're not too sure, this will help you out a little bit better, guys. Just get yourself a myriad of pads to team up with this, and you'll be in good shape. The price can always be better. I'll say that about 90 to 95% of the products. But it's what I truly believe. And when it comes to our ratings chart for the channel, this gets a very impressive. If you have any questions, don't hesitate. Brian from Apex Detail. Catch you in the next video.